Paint time. Oh yeah, it's about to go down. HGTV style. Lord help me. Currently, you always know there's got to be something. Currently, the paint is too liquidy, y'all. So I just Googled it, and it says open it and see if it would thicken up. I have not a clue. Can y'all just pray, send some praise? Like, how am I already ready, and then I run into this? This is called Kenya's life, real talk. So I'm not gonna let it stop me, but I just needed to let y'all know, okay? Yeah, look how that's not supposed to be like that's like water, guys. That's water. It's no way in heck. And now I gotta take this stuff back. I don't even know if they'll take it back, dude. I want to still try to just let it sit and maybe it'll thicken up, but the drama. For no reason. Look, I've already put some on there. Look how thin that is. It is like super thin. I'll be painting all day, and that's already the second coat. What the what? Ugh. Okay, guys, I think letting it sit out for a minute, to me, it is actually getting a little thicker. Now, look, it's not that thick. Don't get confused. But I did like a test on the wall. You could tell that it's not that bad. So I'm going to let it sit out some more. But at least it's giving me the coverage I need. Y'all, I was about to legit cry. Because y'all know I want my room at least somewhat finished. At least painted before my birthday, guys. So I'm going to let this, if I'm going to be up all night, I'm just going to have to be up all night. But for those who ever run into this issue, try this trick. Just let it sit out for a minute. Not a minute, for hours. And it do kind of thicken up. I'm going to look at the footage to see if I really see a dang difference. But to me, it looks a little thicker. So I'll come back for some more comparisons. But, hey, at least it looks better on the wall. Let's look at it. See, on the wall. I didn't do a close-up before. See that little area? I just did it. So you see it's still thin. So I want to do that area like in 2 hours with the first coat, and then I'll show you guys to see if there is a difference. What's up, guys? Okay, y'all. This is literally the next day. And it is still... Now, it's a little thicker. But you see, I didn't cover it up. I didn't do anything, and it's still... I'm able to use it. So... It's a little thicker, guys. So I'm just going to use it until I just can't. So I don't know really what the solution is. Like I said, I'm not going to take it back to the store right now. Maybe the remaining of the can, if that would even help. But I'm really not worried about it, to be honest with you. It did what it was supposed to do. I'll show you. I know I was supposed to show y'all before I went over to give some comparison. But you can see the comparison now. This is the area I did with this one layer, I do believe. And then this is 2 layers. So it's a little thicker for just being 1 layer. But I still got to go over it probably 2 more times. Why it won't show the whiteness. So y'all still can use it. But I don't know. Oh, this whole thing, like I need to hit it again. So anyway, y'all, that is my video for today. I hope y'all find this video useful or helpful in any way if y'all ever run into this issue. I pray that y'all don't. So until tomorrow, see you guys later. See you tomorrow, I mean.